how to permanently deactivate Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account and stop it from automatically reactivating. This way you can deactivate your Facebook account and it won't reactivate unless you want it to by simply logging back into it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. Then select the little three lines next to the Facebook logo in the top left to open up the menu. Then just scroll down, find Settings and Privacy, and select that to expand it, and then select Settings. Once in the settings, go ahead and select Account Center at the top. And all we need to do is scroll down, and you'll see Manage Accounts. Select that. Then in the list of accounts, find the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Select Manage next to that, and then select Deactivation or Deletion. Now just make sure you have Deactivate Account selected. Select Continue. It's going to let you know if you have any Facebook pages, groups, anything like that. Those will be deactivated too if you're the only admin on them, so select Continue. It may ask you to confirm your password, so go through that process and then give them a reason for why you're deactivating your account, and then select Continue at the bottom. Now after that, this is the most important part of permanently deactivating it. So they'll give you some information at the top, but if you scroll down, you'll see Reactivating Your Account, and it'll have a drop down. It'll have 7 days selected. Select that, scroll down and select Don't Reactivate Automatically. Then just select Done, and now select Continue. Now you just need to confirm by scrolling all the way down and select Deactivate My Account. Once you do that, it's going to log you out of your Facebook account. Your account will then be deactivated, and it will stay deactivated until you log back in if you ever want to reactivate it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.